Suna House, an architectural masterpiece located in La Ribera, Baja California Sur, Mexico, epitomizes elegance through simplicity, beautifully interwoven with its surrounding natural environment. This vacation home masterfully blends the tranquil blues of the beach with the rugged beauty of the nearby mountains, creating a serene and luxurious atmosphere perfect for a retreat. Spanning 700 square meters, this house is designed to provide comfortable living while fully embracing the stunning natural scenery. As you approach the property, a carefully curated and functional entry sequence welcomes you. A striking cactus wall stretches along the pathway, directing attention to two mirrored modules on either side of the entrance. On one side, a car garage, and on the other, a service house. These functional modules are seamlessly integrated into the overall aesthetic, maintaining harmony with the design while serving practical purposes. Moving further into the property, the visual experience continues with patios inspired by the surrounding desert landscape. These patios flank the pathway, guiding you towards the main building of the house. The exterior walls are clad in locally sourced stone, enhancing the connection between the house and the surrounding sandy terrain. The use of beige concrete on the facade mirrors the natural color of the beach sand, while warm wooden accents reflect the desert environment. At the center of the house lies a circular patio, the most striking design element of the residence. This patio not only serves as a visual focal point, but also functions as a central gathering space. In the middle of the patio, a fire pit is surrounded by a circular sofa, creating a cozy spot for family and friends to gather. This circular design invites social interaction while offering a peaceful place for quiet reflection or stargazing under the expansive night sky. The open design of the patio ensures that residents can enjoy uninterrupted views of the sky. At night, the patio becomes the perfect spot to relax, warmed by the soft glow of the fire. The circular layout reinforces the sense of connectivity between the various parts of the house, creating a harmonious living experience that feels fully integrated with the surrounding environment. The living spaces surrounding the circular patio are designed with a seamless integration between indoor and outdoor living. The main entrance opens directly to the beach terrace, allowing fresh air to flow freely through the space and sunlight to naturally illuminate the interior. The living and dining areas face the ocean, ensuring that the beauty of the beach is always within view. This design creates a continuous flow between all areas of the house, harmonizing the indoor and outdoor experiences. At the front of the property, which opens to the beach, the social areas extend onto a spacious terrace, creating the ideal space for relaxation while enjoying the stunning ocean views. The terrace features a series of sculptural concrete cubes, forming the pool, jacuzzi, and steps that lead directly to the sandy beach. These cubes are not just functional elements, but also add an artistic dimension to the overall design of the house. The bedrooms in Suna House are designed with understated luxury and simplicity in mind. The house features 6 bedrooms, all adorned with neutral color palettes that evoke calm and relaxation. The master bedroom offers direct views of the beach, providing the perfect setting to wake up to the soothing sound of the waves. A second master bedroom overlooks the central circular patio, offering a different yet equally stunning visual experience, connecting it to the heart of the home. Two additional bedrooms share a bathroom with a bunk bedroom, all of which overlook the desert-inspired patio at the back of the house. All of the bathrooms are finished with travertine marble, adding a touch of elegance while staying consistent with the house's natural material concept. The use of these materials not only enhances the aesthetic, but also creates a clean, minimal, and sophisticated look. With its design inspired by the natural elements of the surrounding environment, Suna House is more than just a vacation home. It embodies a lifestyle that is deeply connected to nature. The house offers a perfect balance of relaxation and luxury, providing a living experience that is both inspiring and calming. Whether gazing at the stars from the circular patio, feeling the coastal breeze on the terrace, or simply resting in one of the peaceful bedrooms, every element of this home is designed to bring comfort and beauty while harmonizing with the surrounding landscape.